Happy Thursday. Welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here again. Today you are going to be super lucky and you should feel very special. You are part of a family tradition today. This is actually a Christmas dish that I typically put together on Christmas morning. My mom has done it for years prior to, so that's why it's a family tradition. And we call it our famous quiche. It's a crustless quiche, so we've cut a lot of calories and fat out of this. That gives us the opportunity to really experiment with the ingredients, the flavors that we can put in the quiche. So the actual base of the quiche is only 4 ingredients. It's super easy. We use eggs, we use butter, we use fat-free milk, and I use Heart Smart Bisquick mix. I'll show you how we'll pull all that together. That's our main ingredient. We're gonna make 3 different quiches today. We are gonna make a meat lovers, we're gonna make a veggie quiche, and we're gonna make a ham and Swiss, which is kind of our family favorite, but they're all delicious. So we're gonna make these 3 quiches. I've prepped a lot of the ingredients prior to, and you'll see this all come together. We'll make each quiche with its ingredients. We'll make the base, and I'll show you how that comes together, and then we'll cook them up, and they are delicious. I've shared this recipe with many people and everyone loves this, so you're in for a treat. Before we get started here real quick, hit that subscribe button and give me some likes, give me some comments. Welcome everybody. And here we are once again making incredible food. So let's enjoy this together. Let's make our base really quick first. Okay, as you can see, the base came together really super easy. I used the 1 egg. I substitute from my mom's original recipe some egg whites or egg substitutes into half those eggs, and I actually cut my butter in half, so I only use a 1/2 cup, or I'm sorry, 1/4 of a cup instead of a 1/2 cup, and that keeps it all down. It turns out just as awesome. I've just cut a lot of the fat and calories out of it. So we've made 3 bases, and now we're gonna go ahead and put together the quiche, and I'll show you how those come together. So let's get those going. Okay, so I just use a glass pie dish, and I'm gonna cooking spray it first. And here comes the ingredients. We're gonna do meat lovers first. So you do all your ingredients before you put your base in. So this is just regular breakfast pork sausage. And I've of course added a little crushed red pepper to it because why not? I like a little sass. So there is our sausage. We're gonna add a little green onion to this. And then this one we're gonna add, this is a mix of cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. Okay, there is our meat lovers quiche, and we're gonna add our base next. Quiche number 2. We're gonna cooking spray again. This is our veggie quiche. I sauteed some mushrooms, because those are so good. And just kind of spread them around. I seeded tomato, so I'm trying to keep a lot of the moisture out of this. So now you have some tomato. And like I say, you can use as little or as much of ingredients as you want. This seems to disperse really well. And fresh spinach that I just kind of diced up a little bit. And I think every quiche needs a little cheese, so this one has Swiss cheese on it. And then we'll add our egg base on top of that. Our 3rd variation today. So once again, cooking spray. This one is diced ham. So I just did deli ham. You can do chunk ham or anything else. I just really think this is super easy to throw in. So I just do some deli ham that I've sliced. And once again, that Swiss cheese just is so good in these quiches. It's just a nice offset with the eggs and everything. All right, quiche 3 is done. They're in the oven, 375, 45 minutes. I kind of check on them between 35 and 45 minutes to make sure they're just starting to brown on top. They're gorgeous. And these 3 big quiches that I've made will be gone by tonight. They fly out of this house. They're so delicious. And thanks to my mom, because it's the best crustless quiche. I don't know why you'd ever have a crust quiche after you've had this. So I will see you in 45 minutes. So go maybe exercise, go for a run, go for a walk. I'll see you in 45 minutes. There you have it, fresh out of the oven. I cut into the ham and Swiss because it's one of my favorites. We're gonna try it together here because it is so good. So good. There you have it. Another hot bite from One Hot Bite. And I wanna put a special thank you out there to all of our nurses and doctors that are on the front lines fighting this pandemic. So thank you guys, and I will see you next week.